In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up Google Cloud Shell. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to Google CLI. From here, you'll be able to see the Google Cloud command line interface, also known as G-Cloud as CLI. Once from here, it should bring something like this once you get inside of your account. Now from here, you'll need to go to get started right here, and then from here, it should bring something like this. Now from here, up in the right hand corner, you'll be able to see the console, which will translate you into Console Cloud Google or Shell up here. But first you'll need to click acknowledge like so, and from here this page down here should be popping up. Now from here you'll be able to click open editor, and once from here you'll be able to see Cloud Shell will open up like so. Now from here you'll be able to use Google Cloud Shell like you usually would, but that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!